How to design professional emails with Canva 2025. High converting email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to design high converting professional emails using Canva in 2025. Whether you are sending a promo newsletter or welcome email, this guide will help you craft stunning emails that people actually click. So let's not waste any more time and directly get into the video. So first of all, you have to go to the canva.com and search newsletter or email marketing template. You can search it here and you can also search it by firstly getting clicked, create, and now type email. So it's asking for you how the layout style should look like. So I'll just select the email newsletter. Okay. Now it's taking me to the dashboard, and here you can see many templates related to the selected item. So I'll just click on email. You can also type email. So here you can see there are many email marketing templates here, and most of them are pro. So we will find a aesthetic and simple one for free. We will not use a pro version. So let me select a simple email template. So here you can see there is two email templates, and you can also go for this one. This one has multiple, and let's select this one. Apply both pages. Okay, it's now on the menu. So you can just now edit the options you want to add or remove, and you can also edit images from here. So now let me tell you why you should use Canva for email design. Most email platforms are clunky when it comes to visual design. Canva fixes that with drag and drop layouts, custom branding like fonts, colors, logos, email templates for promotions, updates, launches, and newsletters, export options for platforms like MailChimp, Bravo, ConvertKit, and more. Whether you are a solopreneur or agency, Canva makes your email look like they came from a 1 million brand. And the Canvas version is built for creators, freelancers, marketers, and small business owners who want to design click-worthy branded emails using Canva. Optimized for watch time, screen recording, and conversion-driven design. And let me give you a pro tip. You should always choose a mobile friendly layout because most email opens happen on phones. So select mobile friendly layout, and that's clean, scannable, and brandable. So here we can see an option. We can select the color pattern and also choose the language. So we can also select by styles like combination font sets and color palettes and image palettes and all. And you can also select keywords like bold, lively, vibrant, dynamic. If we choose this, it will suggest us the color palettes, combinations, and font sets. Okay. So now we should customize our design for conversions. So you can add logo and brand color if you have selected ones. Like you can also add some elements to the email template and all. And as we can see, you can just change your headings and date and the articles, and also change the images included here. You should always write a strong headline for benefit driven or curiosity based, like unlock 50% off before midnight and all, and include one clear CTA per section, like shop now, read more, and reserve spot, something like that. And you can add product image, testimonials, countdown timers, and while using elements tab. So let me tell you why. Good email designs isn't just about beauty, it's about strategy. Canva will help the guide the reader's eye and increase click throughs using visual hierarchy. So for the content, you can also go to ChatGPT and ask for give me a professional email template. Okay, now it is make you an email template like the recipient's name and all. Example. Okay, you can just copy and paste this here, and you can also individually search for the services you should include and the image, what type of image you will work best for the email template and all. And you should now structure for flow and readability. You should use short paragraphs like 2 to 3 lines, add separators or spacing between blocks like this, and break long content into multiple sections that like this one. This is break from multiple sections like intro, feature, CTA, and always use bullet points to highlight keys benefits. And you can add icons for visual context like search email, or you can add arrows. And for the arrows, you can go to the elements and search for arrows. There you can see there are more. There is many arrows and all. You can add this one and you can customize this. And let me give you some pro tip. Use white space. It makes your email easier to scan and increase engagement. So after customizing your email template as your liking and the purpose you're doing for, then you have to link buttons and then export. So for linking buttons, you can click on any button or image, link an icon at the destination URL. Once ready, you can just click share and download. Download, you can select many formats like JPG, PNG. You can also select PDF standard or PDF print. You can also download MP4 video or GIF format if you just use some animations and all. And you can also share link. You can also share link weekly updates. You can now create emails that stand out and actually convert. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Canva and email marketing tutorials, and comment below if you want a full walkthrough of connecting Canva to your email platform. See you on the next video.